Experiencing horn issues in your 2018 Tesla Model X? You're not alone. Many owners face this problem, often stemming from hardware aging or software glitches. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps, from simple fixes to knowing when professional help is needed. Keep in mind that a non-functional horn can be a safety hazard and even violate FMVSS standards, so addressing it promptly is crucial. We'll cover fuse checks, relay inspections, and steering wheel control diagnostics. The horn system in your 2018 Tesla Model X integrates electrical, mechanical, and software components. When you press the horn button on the steering wheel, a signal is sent through the car's network to activate a relay and a fuse-protected circuit, which powers the horn itself. The signal travels through the Controller Area Network, or CAN bus, which connects all the vehicle's electronic systems. The signal then activates the horn relay, which acts as an electrical switch to complete the circuit. The circuit is protected by a 10-amp fuse located in the high-voltage fuse box under the hood, or frunk area. Finally, power reaches the horn assembly, which produces the sound you hear. Key components to examine for potential faults include the fuse, relay, steering wheel controls, and the horn assembly itself. The first thing to check is the horn fuse. It's typically a 10-amp fuse located in the high-voltage fuse box under the hood, also called the frunk area. Open the frunk to access the engine compartment. Once the frunk is open, locate the fuse box. Consult your owner's manual for the exact location of the horn fuse within the box. Remove the suspected horn fuse from the box. Visually inspect it for any signs of damage, such as burns, breaks, or discoloration. A damaged fuse will have a broken wire inside. If the fuse looks damaged, test it for continuity using a multimeter set to resistance mode. Connect the probes to the fuse terminals. A reading of near 0 ohms indicates good continuity, while OL or high resistance means the fuse is blown. A blown fuse interrupts power to the horn solenoid, causing the horn to fail. If the fuse is blown, replace it with a new 10-amp fuse of the same type. Ensure the fuse box cover is securely closed after replacement. Next, check the horn relay, usually found near the fuse box. The relay acts as an electrical switch that controls the horn circuit. Faulty relays can have stuck contacts due to corrosion or voltage spikes, causing intermittent horn failure. To test, swap the horn relay with another identical relay from the fuse box, such as from a less critical system. If the horn starts working after the swap, the original relay is likely faulty and needs replacement. Note that relays are prone to failure in electric vehicles due to high current demands. If corrosion is present, cleaning and lubricating the relay contacts may temporarily resolve the issue. If the fuse and relay are fine, the problem might lie with the steering wheel controls. The horn button interfaces with the airbag control module, also known as the ACU. Issues here can stem from faulty wiring, loose connections, or even software glitches. Try power cycling the vehicle by holding the brake and gear lever for 10 seconds. Also, ensure your Tesla software is up to date via Wi-Fi, as updates can sometimes resolve software-related glitches affecting the horn. If these steps don't work, a visit to a Tesla service center may be needed to diagnose error codes using Tesla's diagnostic tools. Tesla often addresses issues like horn malfunctions through over-the-air OTA software updates. Ensure your Model X is connected to Wi-Fi and has the latest software version installed. Check the software version on your vehicle's touchscreen interface, which displays vehicle information and update preferences. Over-the-air updates work by uploading software from Tesla's system to the cloud, then sending it to your car via cellular data. The car downloads and installs the update automatically. According to Tesla's internal data, over-the-air updates have resolved approximately 70% of reported horn issues across models by 2025. In some cases, a software recalibration of the steering wheel sensors can prevent future horn failures. To determine if your 2018 Tesla Model X is affected by any recalls related to horn functionality, visit Tesla's official website and perform a VIN lookup. Enter your vehicle identification number, which can be found on your dashboard or driver's side door jamb. Tesla has issued recalls in the past for Model S and X vehicles, including 2018 Model X units, due to missing components in the horn assembly. For example, a 2022 recall affected nearly 1.8 million vehicles for non-functional horns. If your Model X is covered by a recall, Tesla will provide a free replacement of the horn assembly or affected components. Schedule an appointment at a Tesla service center to have the work performed at no cost to you. If no recall applies to your vehicle, the horn issue may be due to component failure, such as a faulty relay, fuse, or steering wheel controls. In this case, contact a Tesla-approved service center for professional diagnosis and repair. If you've tried the basic troubleshooting steps like checking fuses and relays, but the horn still isn't working, it's time to seek professional help. Take your 2018 Model X to a Tesla service center or an authorized body shop where certified technicians can properly diagnose and repair the issue. Remember, the horn system is integrated with the airbag control module. Tampering with these components without proper certification can be extremely dangerous and may cause unintended airbag deployment, posing serious safety risks. Looking ahead, Tesla is moving toward future trends that will improve vehicle reliability. One major change is phasing out traditional, replaceable fuses in favor of solid-state electronic protection, which will significantly reduce fuse-related horn failures. Another exciting trend is the integration of horn functionality with artificial intelligence alerts in Tesla's autonomous driving systems. This will allow the vehicle to use the horn proactively as part of its safety features, providing audible warnings in coordination with AI decision-making. Ultimately, the best way to prevent horn issues is through proactive service and regular maintenance. Schedule routine checkups at your Tesla service center to ensure all components remain in optimal condition and catch potential problems before they become major issues.